Hi everyone, I'm Suyok from One Stop Solution. In this video, I will show you how to delete your Facebook account permanently. Deleting your account removes all your data and helps you step away from Facebook for good. So, let's get started on how to permanently delete your Facebook account. First, open the Facebook app. Tap on the menu icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. In the Settings menu, tap on the Settings option at the top right corner of your screen. Next, tap on the Search button at the top right corner of your screen. In the search bar, type Delete Account. From the search results, select the Personal Details option. Go to the Account Ownership and Control section. Tap on the Deactivation or Deletion option. Select your Facebook profile from the list. Choose the Delete Account option and tap on the Continue button. Now, a page will appear why you are deleting your account. Choose one of the provided reasons and tap on the Continue button. Tap on the Continue button again. Scroll down and tap on the Continue button once more. Finally, enter your password to confirm the deletion and tap on the Continue button. And this is how you can permanently delete your Facebook account. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.